I'm Sara Epstein. I'm a clinical psychologist and a meditator. In this exercise, I'm teaching children a meditation song based on the teachings of Thich Nhat Hanh. It's a song that he composed, but I changed the words to make them more user-friendly to children, and they more visual, and the children help me think of movements to go with the song. And then I have the children lie down and I lead them through a meditation sequence. I have them have Beanie Babies on their bellies, and they watch the Beanie Babies go up and down and help the Beanie Babies to relax. And that helps them to relax too. Welcome, everybody. So thank you all for coming today to help me with my meditation song that I adapted from Thich Nhat Hanh's song. So before we sing the song together and you help me with some movements for it, what I'd like to do is just remind you a little bit about meditation, because it's a meditation song, okay? So first I just want to show you this little statue. And just raise your hand if you think you know who this is. Okay. All right. Who do you think this is?
The Buddha?
Yes, this is the Buddha. That's correct. And does anybody know who the Buddha is or was? Owen? Yeah, well, sort of. He was somebody a long time ago who knew a lot about sitting and meditating. And today we're going to learn something about sitting and meditating, so that's why I brought him. How about this? Anybody know anything about this picture? This is a picture of some dancing goddesses from long ago in India. So what we're going to do today is kind of a little mixture of sitting and dancing. Okay?
Do that. You have to sit while you're dancing?
No, we'll take turns. We'll do a little sitting, a little meditating, and a little movement, okay? And then I want to show you this picture. Who has a guess or knows, because you've worked with me before, about who this is? Okay. Nina?
Is it you?
It is me, when I was about your age. Yes. When I was about your age, there was something that I had to do every day most of the year, which involved sitting. Where do you have to sit a lot of the time? Yes?
When you're eating.
When you're eating, and where else?
Couch.
Yeah.
At school?
At school, right.
Most of the time.
Most of the time at school. And do you think that sitting is a normal and natural thing for children to do all day long?
No.
Like at school? No, I didn't think so either. But the Buddha was very helpful in teaching us about how to be patient and how to sit. Sometimes even when we don't feel like it, when our minds and our bodies want us to go all over the place, right? But he taught us about how to breathe and how to sit, and so we can learn a lot from meditation and meditation songs. So that's what we're going to do today, okay? So what we're going to do is you're going to help me with some movements to go with the meditation song, and then we're going to help the Beanie Babies do a little meditation, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, they're already getting started, huh? Okay, so the song that I'm going to sing, the way that Thich Nhat Hanh wrote it, it's for adults, and I wrote a version for kids. So do you want to hear the adult version first, and then the kids version? Okay, the adult version goes like this. In, out, deep, slow, calm, ease, smile, release, present moment, wonderful moment. And the way for kids, I'll sing and then you'll help me with the movements, okay? The way for kids goes like this. In, out, deep, slow, autumn leaves gently fall. In the springtime, new growth, sunshine. Like a tiger in the sun, stretch, relax, everyone. So, how about in, out? What do you think we should do with our bodies for in, out?
Out.
Okay, let's everybody try that. In, out. Okay. How about deep, slow? Somebody else have an idea? Yeah.
Deep, slow.
Should we do it sitting still?
I think standing up would be better for the deep.
Okay, let's try standing up. Show us again how it goes.
Deep, slow.
Okay, everybody, let's try that. Deep, slow. All right, so from the top, in, out, deep, slow. Show us in, out again. Okay, ready? Let's try that. In, out, deep, slow. Okay, autumn leaves gently fall. Nina? Okay. How about autumn leaves gently fall? Let's practice that in the springtime. So, in the springtime, new growth, sunshine, like a tiger in the sun. So how are we going to be a tiger in the sun? Yeah, we can be, I think, all different tigers. So some of you may want to be down low tigers, and some of you may want to be just stretching out up here tigers. Yes, you could be down like a tiger in the sun. What do you think? Is it okay to have some people up and some people down? Or should we all be down?
I think we should all be down.
Okay, let's all be down. Like a tiger in the sun, stretch, relax, everyone. Okay, I like that. So let's start from the beginning. So tell me the in, out again. Okay, great. Let's start. In, out, deep, slow, autumn leaves gently fall. In the springtime, new growth, sunshine, like a tiger in the sun, stretch, relax, everyone. Great. Should we do it once more? Okay. In, out, deep, slow, autumn leaves gently fall. In the springtime, new growth, sunshine, like a tiger in the sun, stretch, relax, everyone. Great. Okay, now I'm going to move away these objects so we have a little more space, and everybody find a place to lie down and put your Beanie Baby on your belly so we can teach them how to relax. They're gonna be kind of gently rocked on your bellies as you breathe. And all you have to do is breathe. And just notice when your Beanie Baby is going up when you're breathing out. See if your Beanie Baby goes up when you're breathing out or when you're breathing in.
When I'm breathing out, it goes down.
When you're breathing out, it goes down. That makes sense. And when you're breathing in, it goes up because your belly's full of air and it pops the Beanie Baby up. So you could just watch the Beanie Baby go on its... The Beanie Baby rises slowly. Actually, doesn't really pop, does he? Just rises slowly. He or she. And we can sing the song without the movements for the Beanie Babies to help soothe them and relax them. So we can sing. You can just listen while you're lying there and I'll sing the song again. In, out, deep, slow, autumn leaves gently fall. In the springtime, new growth, sunshine, like a tiger in the sun. Stretch, relax, everyone. How are your Beanie Babies doing? Are they enjoying that ride? Should you try it once more? In, out, deep, slow, autumn leaves gently fall. In the springtime, new growth, sunshine, like a tiger in the sun. Stretch, relax, everyone. That's right. If you need to stretch, you can stretch now yourself. And then just spend another few minutes just watching your Beanie Babies rise and fall and see if they're still doing it or if your breathing has gotten so calm that they're not even moving very much anymore. They still should be moving, but you'll see. I see that they're all moving. That's good. They're getting a really nice, gentle ride. You can notice and now you're not even moving. Are your Beanie Babies not moving either? I see them moving. From here, I can see that they are moving, even though it might not be as much as before because you're breathing really calmly. But still, our lungs have to they have to fill up with air, so it usually makes the Beanie Babies move just a little bit. And you might feel down to your toes, you might feel that warm air coming in through your nose and going all the way down to your toes. Gets carried by the blood, doesn't it? All the way down to your toes and then goes back up for fresh air in your blood. Gets circled around and around. Maybe we'll sing. Should we sing it one more time? Do you want to sing with me while you're lying down, or do you want to just listen? Raise your hand if you want to sing. Okay, let's just listen. In, out, deep, slow, autumn leaves gently fall. In the springtime, new growth, sunshine, like a tiger in the sun. Stretch, relax, everyone. Okay, thank you all for helping me with this. Okay, so I want to ask everybody how this was, whether you feel calmer or more excited after doing this meditation exercise. Yeah.
Calmer.
You feel calmer?
fantabulously calmer.
Much calmer, fantabulously calmer, yes?
A lot calmer and now tired.
Ah, that happens, yes. Is that true of you too?
When I'm calm, I'm a bit tired.
Uh-huh. Sometimes when we're calm, it like allows us to realize how tired we really are. Yeah. Any other how was it for you, Sabrina, before you got bonked on the head with a Beanie Baby?
It was much calmer.
Much calmer. All right. Anybody, any other comments, things that you'd like to tell me about doing this together today, Frida?
It made me a little more excited.
Which part made you more excited?
Just
You too?
the lying down part, it made me a little more excited. I could really feel it.
Really? So sometimes when we're first starting to meditate or relax, we first notice how excited we are, and we can really feel it in our body. And sometimes it allows us to notice that. And what were you going to say?
Yeah, I was like excited, calm, like tired. It was a lot of different things all put together.
Uh-huh. So sometimes when we're really quiet, we notice how busy our bodies and minds are. And there's a lot going on. And Nico, how about you? Anything to say or just throwing the Beanie Babies? All right, Nina, I think we might be done. What do you think? Thank you all for your help.